Hi, I'm Jared Nelson from the Investing Channel, and welcome to The Juice. Governments are ramping up defense spending, in part to backfill weapons given to Ukraine. Now, most stocks we're familiar with, Lockheed Martin, Raytheon, and Northrop Grumman, generate over 80% of their revenues from the US and about 5 to 8% from Europe. But if you want to get more exposure to the European markets, you'll have to look overseas. A few companies that are worth a look include BAE Systems is Britain's biggest defense company. Leonardo is an Italian multinational contractor for the military. And Thales is a French tech firm with nearly half its business dedicated to defense and security. Now, these are stocks that are listed on other exchanges. You can acquire shares of the company through OTC markets in the United States. However, if you're interested in investing in these or other foreign companies, speak with your broker beforehand. That's all we have time for today on The Juice. Click follow and subscribe to The Juice email for your daily dose of market minerals.